Hello. Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm sorry about the lighting, but it did take us the whole day to sort out the house. We are basically planning to sell the house, so it is in a great state for photos specifically. So we've decluttered, we've been to the dump like 1,000 times. But what I'm going to be doing today is doing a house tour of a house in Essex, this house in particular, and I'm going to take you from room to room and show you exactly what we've got and what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to take you through the WC. So we've got a little sink here, which is great. It's so handy, especially for when we've got guests around. But I'm just going to show you my collection of like souvenirs and presents that I've had throughout the years. I absolutely love this section. It's quite a girly bathroom in the sense that I love the pink, and I don't have pink anywhere around the house. And if you actually have a look at the wallpaper, I made that myself and I'm so proud of it. I added pieces of fabric and glued that onto the wallpaper, and I absolutely love the fact that it was so much hard work and the fact that my creativity came out here. So yeah, it's quite a straightforward little bathroom downstairs for when guests come around. So now we're going to go through to the living room. As you can see, we've got the dog sleeping here and he's ruining the video. Casper, down please. So this is the lounge and this is where we spend most of our time. I love the fact that it's an open space and it's got a lovely throughway to the kitchen diner that I'm going to show you in a second. Essentially, we've kept it quite neutral. We're quite neutral people. I don't think we like to go bold in terms of colours. And when it comes to the floor, we actually didn't change the floor since we've moved in. We didn't actually want to invest too much money knowing that it's not our forever home. And actually, it's not too bad when you have a dog like Casper walking around with all his muddy paws. So essentially, we've got a toy corner over here where you can see all the toys. There's some toys hidden in here as well. There's Casper's bed in that corner as well. And yeah, it's a pretty straightforward lounge. So before we actually go into this bit, I was just going to show you this corner here. And you can do so much with this corner. I didn't know whether to make it into like a desk and computer area. But at the moment we've got like a shoebox and we've got an armchair which has been moving around from place to place in this particular room. But we thought we kind of like this central area to be quite clear because Aiden loves to just like demolish everything, climb everything and get his toys out and play. So at the moment this arrangement is working for us. But let's go through. So this particular area is what sold the house to us in the first place. We've got this open plan and an island. We've got a great kitchen dining room area where we like to entertain friends, and it's perfect for when I'm feeding Aiden and when we're eating together. It's just a lovely open plan space which we absolutely love, and we want to recreate this in our future home no matter where it might be, but we like it so much. So this is the kitchen units, and these as well we didn't touch since we've moved in. They seem to be working for us. They're quite neutral, they're nice, and actually they're really nice and livable if somebody is to keep these and didn't want to spend like £5,000 to £10,000 on a new kitchen. So come with me into the garden. So we absolutely love the garden and we use it quite a lot. We've got like a lovely entertainment area in the sense that it's really nice and cozy. It's got all the cushions and everything. And actually I just realised I didn't put any of the cushions out on this side. But it's really lovely in the evening because we've got like the fairy lights that light up, and when it's summertime and all the plants are flourishing, like it looks so lovely and so peaceful here. And it's a lovely area for Aiden to just go crazy and play on his swing, on the trampoline, and obviously Casper is enjoying it very much as well. We're going to go upstairs now. Now this is our office space, and this is where I usually do my working from home, and Chris as well. So we do alternate between who uses the dining room compared to who uses this room, depending on meetings. So it's a really lovely space. I actually think that we could do so much more with this space because we're not using half of the room. So I think putting up some shelves, getting some storage units will be really awesome, especially if we don't sell the house. If we do, I'm sure the next people, the next owners, could even add like a single bed in here perhaps. It's a perfect nursery as well. So it's actually bigger than a box room in my opinion. So plenty of space here. Great, so now let's move on to Aiden's room, which is right next door. And this is the room that we've done most recently and that I'm very proud of. It's very much a baby room, so I do believe that if we did stay in this house, we'll probably update it to a more toddler, kid-friendly decor. But at the moment, as you can see, plenty of books, plenty of toys, even this chest of drawers. I think maybe a wardrobe will do nicely in that space. But at the moment, it's really working well for us and we're absolutely loving it. Great, so let's move on to the bedroom, the master bedroom, and I'll show you the bathroom after that. So this is our bedroom and I absolutely love it. I've done that wallpaper myself at the back there. It's actually mural rather than a wallpaper, which means that it's not a repetition of a pattern, but it's one pattern across many layers of, I guess, wallpaper. So essentially, we did most of this ourselves. So we changed the colour of it because it used to be purple. They used to have purple floors, they used to have purple walls, purple curtains, even a purple lampshade. So the fact that any bit of purple is gone, I'm very happy with that. And essentially, I absolutely love the space. We've done so much with it. We've got great wardrobe, like built-in wardrobes that have worked so well for us. So I am very, very sad to even think about the fact that we are going to move, because I do love this place. I feel so attached. Aiden was brought up in this house, so it does seem or feel emotional even thinking about moving, but we know we're doing it for the right reasons because we're hoping to move for the location to be closer to Nanny and Grandad. Anyway, on that point, let's go and see the bathroom, and that will be our final stop for today. I've turned on the light so that you can see a little bit better, but essentially it's got everything that a family bathroom needs to have, from a sink to a toilet to a bath and a shower, but most importantly it's got great storage space so that it doesn't look cluttered. I love to put those bits away so that nobody needs to see what I'm using, and essentially, like, it's just a really lovely space. I don't know what else to say about a bathroom, but essentially, like, taking you through each room just makes me feel so sentimental about this place. So I know that if we are to sell this to anybody, I'd really want it to go to somebody who is going to love this space. I know it feels or sounds kind of silly, but I really hope that they provide the TLC that we've given this house. It really has been our home for the last 6 years, where Aiden has grown up, where we really enjoyed living. Like, I have changed so much in the last 6 years, from like career to becoming a mum, that it's a really special place to me. So I really hope that you did enjoy this house tour, and thank you so much for watching this. If you are interested in our journey as we do buy a new house, fingers crossed, then please do subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on the journey with us. But if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!